What's up, YouTube family? Let's cook this delicious stew goat. Okay guys, so first thing I'm going to do is season this mutton with some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also adding some browning, some chopped up scallion and thyme, onion, garlic, hot scotch bonnet pepper, and bell pepper. Mix up everything together and allow it to marinate for at least an hour. After marinating, I pan-sear the meat for a few minutes. Then I add a good amount of water and I allow it to cook for an hour or until the meat is tender. When it's tender, I went ahead and add some ketchup and some butter bean and I allow it to cook down for another 5 minutes. This is how it's looking so far. And this is it all finished. Some juicy delicious stew goat, also known as stew mutton. Do try this recipe. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and remember to give the video a thumbs up. And also I will see you in the next video. Bye.